We are in the midst of a global pandemic. Every day we learn more about COVID-19. While this virus has forever shaped our communities, higher education, and who we are as Bowling Green State University, it has also presented an opportunity to reaffirm our commitment to our students. You know, across the country there is this debate raging about the reopening of schools and campuses. Some universities have announced that they are in person, and others have said that they're online, and some are still working through it. As I have previously shared, we are planning to resume in-person learning this fall. And while there is no doubt this will look and feel differently, we remain committed to safely operating our campuses. At Bowling Green State University, we strive to be a student-centered in our educational approach. We believe that each student belongs and will prepare them to live meaningful and productive lives. You know, as a vibrant learning community, one that is creative and thinks out of the box, you know, we should stop this debate of online or in person. It is not one or the other. It can actually be both. It is incumbent upon us to provide our students with the opportunity to choose their destinies, which goes for their education, their aspirations and careers, but also how they wish to learn. So today we are announcing Design My BGSU. While we are working to de-densify our campuses and reduce the risk of spreading COVID-19, we also are committed to working with each student to empower them so that they can choose to be in person or online. If they want in-person and hybrid approach courses where they can learn in small classes and spaces that are physically distanced, wearing face coverings, we will work to provide those options. But if they are interested in a remote approach where they can learn online, participating live in synchronous classes, those options will also be available. If they want to take fully online classes at their own pace and not be committed to a specific class time each day, great. Our advisors will help curate that experience. You know, while a global pandemic is dictating our way of life, we remain steadfast in our commitment to education. Each student may decide their classes in 3 formats: in-person hybrid, remote, or fully online. We appreciate your understanding and flexibility as we launch this new initiative. This is new, yes. There will be challenges. We won't get everything quite right, and there will be timelines that are going to be tough to meet, but we want to make sure that we work with each of you to support you. We will help you design your BGSU experience. And now I want to turn to our Provost, Joe Whitehead, to explain exactly what your next steps look like for classes. We cannot wait to see you this fall, either virtually or in person. Isaac Izumba.
Well, thanks, President Rogers. Our goal is to ensure our students are successful at BGSU. Last week, they received an email from Glenn Davis, our Vice Provost for Academic Affairs. He provided an update regarding our reconfiguration of the fall schedule, which was finalized today. We made these changes to better accommodate a variety of academic and learning preferences. We are now pulling together a select team focused on advising. They will serve as point of contacts for students to design and change their fall schedules where needed. As President Rogers mentioned, there are 3 class formats for the fall: in-person hybrid, remote, fully online. We're committed to working with any student that is interested in making adjustments to their schedule so that they are comfortable with their classes this fall. That is, a student may want to emphasize an online or remote experience, or emphasize an in-person and hybrid experience. Once our students review their schedules, which are now live in your student portal, they may reach out to an advisor by completing Design My BGSU Fall 2020 schedule form at bgsu.edu/advising. We remain committed to supporting our students. Thank you.